Welcome to SIR ABRAR YouTube channel. This channel is now a generalized channel for education only, and you can read the disclaimer here. And the spelling seems to be wrong. I will correct in another one. Now, this channel includes the education of electrical engineering plus information technology and then business also, because many young engineers, scientists are setting up their startups, and then they are setting up their companies in Western world, that is North America usually, and USA and Canada. So in the business stream or the playlist, you will see the videos on how to set up the business in North America basically. And we will also discuss that what are the taxes, what are the legal formalities they have to follow, and which country or which city may be better for them. But still, for the advice, you must read this, that this is just for information, and our company is now B2B lead generation company, and it is IT service provider company as well, plus the training programs. So these training programs are now available for not only power, but IT and business issues as well. Recently, I uploaded a lecture on application of information technology in power. So that is also very important. Please go through that and subscribe my channel. Please share. This is a purely educational channel. Believe me, there is no income from this channel to me. So this is purely for education. Now let's proceed further, and you will see here that we have discussed here that how to set up the business in North America and where and how, what should we do. Now see, let me set this please. Okay. Now you can see here that the topic is which is better for foreign company to incorporate Delaware, USA or Ontario, Canada. You know the names of these countries. Delaware is a state, and Ontario is a city. Ontario is also a province in Canada. So state and the province. In Canada, they call it province, and in USA, they call it state, United States. So the decision to incorporate in Delaware, USA or Ontario, Canada depends on several factors, including what? Including, you can see here, the access to venture capital. You know what is venture capital? Venture capital means that you have you need the capital, you need the investment for running your startup. So if you go to the site of startups, or you can go site of the Immigration Canada, you can see there are venture capitalists who finance your startup, and many students, engineers and scientists who are now in this area, that is setting up their own company or business in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, anywhere, they know that there are investors in the market who are known as the venture capitalist. So venture capital is very important for you, that whether the country or the city or the state you are going, venture capital is available, is not. Then important thing is the look at the commercial and partnership opportunities. You can team up with the existing businesses in Canada or North America. You must go through the tax structure. All these topics we will cover independently in separate videos. So just it is a listing. Now you should know that budget and cost. We will have many lectures on the budget and cost and the incorporation, how to incorporate, what are the costs, what is the tax filing cost, what are other expenses, and what are the requirements. So these options we will discuss. All these options we will discuss. All these options we will discuss separately. Discuss in separate lectures. So these lectures will be coming up very soon. Now let's move forward and see here that what else we have. See, you can see here that here is a incorporate, which is better continuing. Consider the following questions. Where is your target market located? Right? Goals. What is your budget? So these all things will be discussed separately, but these are important and you must keep in mind that what is the budget, what will be the cost. So you will see the different lectures on this separately. No issue. Now, Canada. Canada in general, I have written here in general. The information changes with time also, so you must consult the latest information on the website. But for this moment, this is supposed to be latest because I am using from the internet the information available from the official sites of Canada and Australia government. So in Canada, you can see here that they have mentioned low corporate taxes here. See, there are many taxes in Canada. So I have a separate video on that. That what are the lecture, what are the taxes? There are the harmonized sale tax. There is a GST, and then there is a PST, provincial tax. So all these we will discuss separately. You will find separate videos on this. You will find separate. So all these will be covered in different lectures. Different lectures. Will be loaded. Now come to the USA then. USA. Large market, definitely USA is a very, very big market. USA is called the sort of a place of opportunity, land of opportunity. But the legal system is very developed. You must know the anti-spam law, like you cannot send email and SMS to everyone. You must take the consent. So topic like consent for cold emails and anti-spam law, anti-spam law. What is anti-spam law? You must know all these and you will see the separate videos, separate lectures, separate lecture. All these will be coming up almost on daily basis, one lecture. So you must know all these laws, very, very important. You must know what are the risk factors. You have to take the insurances. In insurance, very important because they sue if there is some mistake. Suppose you send the cold email without following the consent law or the anti-spam law, somebody can sue you and you have to take the insurance for that because that may cost you thousands and thousands dollars. You don't know what will happen. So you must take the insurances. I will cover up the cost of insurance, etc. Now our services include for the time being. I'm showing here that we are doing the B2B lead generation, that we provide you the lead for the client. Suppose you are manufacturing cable, you are manufacturing very, very small items, maybe some kind of a jewelry, you need the client. So we will provide you the client linkage. We provide you the linkage with the client. That is the B2B generation. We also provide the service for search engine operation, also content writing. I have done the content writing of at least 25 websites of international level. Then IT services, etc., IT-enabled services, all these are being offered by this company, that is the tdconsultant.ca. Now, which is better for the foreigners? Foreigners means anybody who is not a US or Canadian citizen, that is a foreigner. So Delaware State is supposed to be the one of the best for incorporation, best for incorporation in, because there is no US citizen or residency requirement, but you need one agent there. So the agent cost, I will discuss agent. You need agent. So agent cost, I have discussed and I will upload what is the cost, what are the options available, agent. Then tax efficient. So Delaware is supposed to be the one of the best, most flexible. So taxes we will discuss, taxes, separate video, etc. We will discuss that. But this is supposed to be the best. We will discuss further in other separate video lectures. Now, what about the Ontario? Ontario is the easiest and less expensive to incorporate, but this is questionable. This is written somewhere, the sites and the promotional, etc. But this is questionable. This is a variable kind of thing. I will show you the cost. I will show you the costs, real cost from the official sites. Anyway, it is in the range of, say, Canadian dollar, say 200, etc. And same you will find in USA. If USA is 200, USA is 200 US dollar. US dollar is 200. US dollar is 200. USD 200. If USD 200, it will mean Canadian 300 actually. So this is not usually correct that if it is 200 in US or 150 even in US, 150 in US dollar is greater than the 200 Canadian dollar at the moment. So please keep in mind. Now lower corporate taxes, this is written here, it is lower with respect to some states, but when you come to Delaware, it is not so low. So check Delaware. You must check Delaware state. So these are the few things, but overall, I would say that Delaware is the most favorable state at the moment where the investor come, and the most of the companies are invest are established in Delaware state. So now these are our services. I have told you before that we do all these services, and search engine optimization we do, we write the content writing we do, and IT services and B2B lead generation. If you are in any startup, please contact us. Please contact. What are we doing? We will place your startup logo on our website for free, absolutely free. So as soon as your information is and logo is posted on our website, your ad will be free on our site. So that is a big offer from us, and please avail that and contact us on this. If you do not get the response for this from this, you can always contact my this address, which you have already seen, my consultant.ca@gmail.com. So this always written everywhere. So you can contact this also, and please subscribe my channel. This is purely channel for the education, and everything is provided free. Every training, every lecture is free here. So please subscribe. And maybe in the month of August, last week, I am offering a lecture, a workshop on power protection of the power transformer, a very comprehensive workshop, a one-day workshop online on Zoom. So I will announce it as soon as the poster is ready. My students are working on that, preparing the posters, and then I will post on YouTube as well as on the WhatsApp phone number which I have with me. So thank you very much. And once again, subscribe my channel and share this, like this, so that will help me in recording more and more channels. See, for one video, I have to work at least 3-4 hours, because the title you see on the thumbnail, that is prepared by me, myself. I prepare the slides as well. I then record them, and then I present to you. So everything is done without any help. I have not hired anyone, and no student I have with me to work for free. So thank you very much. Please help in promoting this channel.